This week, CRI continues our State House Impact Series that takes a look at new laws from this year's state legislative session and how they impact Iowans on the local level. Last week, we told you about the new texting and driving law. This week, we're addressing Senate File 2379, a bill that, if signed by Governor Culver, will create uniform statewide standards on who can receive and how to grant concealed weapon permits. Here with more is CRI's Patrick Boberg.
So you carry your gun loaded everywhere you go, on your person.
That's Mahaska County Sheriff Paul DeGeese talking about the new concealed weapons bill. Under that bill, sheriffs statewide will be losing their power to personally decide who gets licenses and who doesn't.
Whereas before, I could put restrictions that it was valid only for hunting and target practice, which, in my opinion, that's what guns were made for.
This new bill blankets the state with a uniform permit issuing policy. If you're of legal age, have a clear criminal record, and pass a gun safety class, a sheriff must issue you a permit. Prior to the new legislation, someone looking for a concealed weapons license needed to meet all of those qualifications, then a sheriff would issue a permit at their discretion. So what's wrong with that?
Changing the law is necessary because right now the law as it's written provides for 99 different ways of an Iowa citizen getting a permit to carry weapons. It gives the sheriffs full discretion, and in some cases we have sheriffs who will not issue a permit to anybody, and they don't have to provide a reason.
Iowa Carry, along with the National Rifle Association, championed this change, believing it's not a matter of stripping sheriffs of their power, but standing up for citizens' Second Amendment rights.
And unless the sheriff can prove that that person is a criminal or falls under some of the other federal disqualifiers, a permit has to be issued.
Along with unifying the state, this bill allows any U.S. citizen with a concealed weapons permit the right to carry their gun in Iowa, something that Sheriff DeGeest feels is dangerous.
It scares me. It really does. It scares me for the people out there that aren't carrying guns.
The only thing keeping this bill from becoming a law is the governor's signature. And if he doesn't sign it by the 30-day anniversary of its passing, the bill dies.
So if for some reason he does not sign this, we come back next year.
For CRI Weekly News, I'm Patrick Boberg.
Governor Culver has not released any indication on whether he plans to sign this bill or not. With the 30-day deadline of April 29th fast approaching, the governor could issue a pocket veto, meaning the deadline simply passes. Finally, if there's a new piece of legislation you'd like to know more about, send us an email at info@criwnpnu.org.